Testing. Good morning, traders. Welcome to Smull Trades, where we trade small for big gains. It is Monday, September 29th. I'm gonna keep the stream on mute for now. Have some cleaning going on here inside the house. Okay, the market is about to open. I'm in 1 micro here on this account. Okay. All right, the market just opened. Okay. Okay, market opened. Let's see what it decides to do. So far, it's kind of stair-stepping up, but this could be a bear flag. See if we can get out of this 1 micro here. Okay, we're out. Let's see how we're doing on the NQ position. Okay, looks like we're out of our NQ position. $285 in profit so far on this account. Okay, let's review here what happened. So we had a little bit of win here. I'm gonna put it on mute for now. Let's just see. Okay. This could be bear flagging now. So things could get worse before they get better, or we'll just recover and continue going up. We'll see. So I think my next thing to watch will be a breakdown of this support here. That will create a downflow, or we have to break above this high 911 here to go higher. Okay, those would be my ideas, given that I already took some shots here with NQ. I might want to just do this with MNQ. Here's my plan. I'll place some orders here at AOS, defined AOS areas right here. Okay. We're in upward trend, so there's definitely bias towards the upside, but we are doing this bear flag. And let's see if it turns out to be a bear flag or it's just a bounce. Like, I'd love to catch a small bounce here, if possible. This could break now. Kind of testing this support here. Or it could shoot up. Entered a little late there. Okay. Alright, so there's turned out to be a bull flag. Yeah, I guess the market is trying to decide where it wants to go. Let me quickly check the news. Alright, so I'm going to quickly check the news here. Let's see what we have coming up today. So we have 7:30 a.m. Fed Waller speaks, but then nothing until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. we have pending home sales, so that should be market moving. And then 10:30 we have Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Then we have 3-month bill auction at 11:30, and then Trump speaks at 1:15, and Williams speaks at 1:30. So 1:15 is definitely time to be very careful, and I probably will not be trading that unless it's maybe some kind of eval that I'm trying to pass. All right. I still have some noise in the house now. I have some cleaning going on, so I'm gonna just put myself on mute for a little bit. So if you see me silent here, that's just for that reason. Okay. All right, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I guess we're kind of going up now. I'm on my fund of futures eval. I feel like we're gonna break out to the top. There we go. Just placed it. I'm already in. Okay, and I'm out. So there's some stops right here to be run. We have 560 on this account right now. Okay, I guess the market still feels a little bullish unless we break this. All right, so let me show you what I'm looking at. Okay, that's kind of the look. We're in this channel. Just kind of scalping my way inside this channel. Eventually we're gonna break out of it based on its shape, because this is ascending channel. We're gonna break down to the downside, like so. Okay, like this. Okay, let's hope this is not the moment when it decides to break, which could very likely be. Okay, all right, we're out, but certainly some money to be made in this channel and money to be lost. Okay, I'm gonna set my orders. I think I'm okay on this account for now. I'm gonna switch to MNQs now. Just scalp with micros for now because kind of reach our target where we want to be. Don't want to be stuck in a down move while we hold the minis. Okay, I'm gonna move this higher just so that I don't have to overtrade this. Okay, we could be breaking down now. Okay, we're out. This was MNQ, so nice 10 pointer. All right, so we have AOS set up here in these areas, area of support levels, whatever you want to call them. As I call them area of support because it's kind of more of a range for me, right? Because it's very hard to pick the exact area where it's going to bounce. A lot of times it bounces from the center and then comes back down to the bottom of the channel. So I like to scalp both the center, like the middle part. See how it, like say it came up, well, it bounced from the center here and it comes down again and bounces from here again. So that's why I like to trade those areas. My Bollinger Bands, I don't really pay much attention to them, but they do kind of give me a visual guide where I am in the trade. Okay, all right, so I think we're good here with this account. I'm gonna just have these micro orders set up. If we break down here, I'll try to catch it. Yeah, the idea is to basically trade in this AOS areas, and that's where I'm placing my orders. All right, so if the market drops 80 points from here, I'll be waiting there to catch it. Okay, 80 points. We don't have any news until 10 a.m. So I'm gonna set a quick alarm for that. So maybe 5 minutes prior to that, I will stop trading. Let me check. Okay, just keep going up. All right, we're breaking out. Oof, what a breakout. So like I said, oh, there you go. We're gonna kind of chasing it here, but like I said, if we're to break out, be interesting to see what happens there. Maybe this is gonna be a top, but I feel like we're gonna go higher if we break out of here. We do have news coming up. In a few minutes, but I'm gonna try to see if I can stay in the trade. Although I like to be in and out. Let me draw out some few fresh areas of AOS. Okay, it looks like we're going higher. Can you take me higher? Okay. Kind of want to add to my winners here. Okay. Just look at this. Wish that this was NQ. All right, look. 20 points. 400 bucks. Gonna see if I can add to this trade again. Can only get so many trades in, huh? Okay. Market's just squeezing up higher. Is there like a limit to where we're heading to? Wow. Wee wee wah wah. Okay, it looks like we're out of that trade. Okay, are we stair stepping higher or? Okay. Looks like we just keep going higher. If we go higher, I'm gonna have my order out there waiting. If we go lower, I have my order there as well. We have about 10 minutes left to the news, so need to be a little careful now. Okay, looks like we're in. Just keep going higher, huh? You're getting close to the news now. I think we're gonna get some volatility now. All right, let's see if we have some kind of sell-off, pullback. We had this trend line going here on the long end. Okay, good. Good recovery. I'm also watching this on my Topstep account. I have a couple longs there on the minis. Looks like market is either it's retesting the breakdown and it's going to want to sell off now or just continue higher or recover this breakdown. Okay, I'm $520 up on my Topstep account. Alright, news is coming in about 6 minutes, so we have to be a little careful here. Okay, here's a reminder for the news, for the upcoming news. We have, I think, home sales coming out soon. Pending home sales, 10 a.m. Alright, I'm gonna just stay out of the trades for a little bit, just trying to close out of my, okay, I'm out of my Topstep trade. $513 on that account so far. See if we can remove some of the orders here. Let's clean these. Some orders out here. Let me just make sure I don't have any NQ sitting out here. NQ orders, nothing on the Q here. Good. On my funded futures, this is a funded account. I'm only allowed to trade MNQ, so micros, not minis. I think I'm only allowed to basically trade one mini, and you know how that goes. I'm just gonna do micros, and you know, if I need to, I'll DCA into a mini. Well, looks like we're about to get the news. Okay, it's 10 a.m. What is it gonna be? So no flush, or just a retest? Okay. Looks like we're going higher for now until we don't. Okay, there's that bit of a sell-off. I mean, I don't mind trying it here. Like, we're probably gonna, if we break down, we'll just go lower. I can scalp my way down. Look at that. So yeah, the market is still trying to decide where it wants to go, but given like this last pull down, maybe it wants to do a bear flag and go down. That's how I'm seeing it. You know, sell off a little bit because it did have this nice run up to what? So since we opened we were at 24,840s. So yeah, we had a little bit over 100-point run to the top. Let's see if we can have some kind of pullback. There you go. Okay, that's quick. So we took some of the stops there. There's an AOS right here that I'm seeing. Kind of touched the center of it already. So this AOS that I feel like we could have something right here, area of support. I'm going to draw it there. So I'm going to try to enter around 24,915. Looks like we're already getting that bounce. Maybe see if it comes back there again. Sometimes it likes to revisit that area, so I'm going to just wait for it. Try to be a little patient. We are sort of going down in this downtrend a little bit the last few minutes, so maybe it'll revisit. We are in this channel, so it can still go up to 960s, but I'm going to wait for it down there. All right, wait, let's see. There's a two-legged pullback. Is that what we're getting here? No, one. Well, we need to make higher. We need to go above higher, and then I'll look for a two-legged pullback. Okay, if we go higher than this, then I'm gonna start looking for a two-legged pullback, which is a reverse sequence to the upside in this case. All right, just watching for that. Okay. All right, so we made that high. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do 2 micros to the upside. Ugh. Okay, worked out on both of my accounts, on Topstep and this account. Good. I mean, with micros it's not much of a progress, but with minis you certainly feel this trade a lot more. Alright, we're up $123 in this account. See if we could catch anything else. I mean, like I said, I was kind of hoping to catch a trade down here. Market is moving fairly quickly, so it's kind of hard to do trades with multiple accounts. I wish I could maybe I need to set up more computers. I don't have enough time to switch between screens to set up this trade, so I was able to set it up on 2 accounts. Copy trading is another idea. Could certainly experiment with that in the future. I think my idea is, at least with this account here, once I pass the second account, maybe copy trade them together, so that I don't have to, you know, you see I'm up $700 in this account. It would have been nicer if I could have if I could have copied it, I would have been done into, you know, I would have had $700. That's $1,400 across 2 accounts. Instead, I have $700 on this account, and I have $123 in this account. Okay. Let's slow down. Let's do 1 micro at a time, not 2. Right, we're sort of bull flagging here, right? Would you say that? The way I see it is we're actually in this a funnel channel. Oh, just broke out. Oof, oof. What a trade. It blew through my order. Alright, not bad. Made another. I'm trading my second Topstep account. It's a funded account. I'm up $104 on that account. I saw this bull flag forming. Again, like I said, market is moving too quickly. I was about to show you this trade on this account, but the price just blew through here. All right, we're very bullish on the day. Seems like it. I do like bullish movement. I just wish it was a little less jerky. It's harder to draw with trade of 8. So, but I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. I see AOS right here. So I'm gonna place an order here. I'm gonna place one in the middle. And so as we break down, and I'll place another one right below it. Okay. Now the first AOS is, a lot of times, is not the most reliable, but it works. I mean, it depends how bullish the market is. If it's very bullish, then it works. Otherwise, I would have to be the second AOS. Second AOS would be, well, if we're looking at bull flags, I'd say this would be the second AOS. Right here. So technically I need to have my order somewhere here in the middle. Okay. All right. So you see, this way I'm not chasing a trade, right? I'm like the market is just went up, but I'm not going running after it. I just let the price come to me. All right. So it's gonna, well, you see, kind of missed it, but it came to the center. Yeah. Well, that happens. But I see it came in here, bounced out. It might still come back here. Often does. Alright, so I'm just gonna have my order still sitting out there. Alright. Could also just blast through here. Because it already bounced, it may want to go up higher now. That's oftentimes the case. All right. Okay, just missed a step. All right, so that's what's called being a little patient. So I'm already in 1. Oh, in 2, I'm gonna kind of do this. All right, we're out of 1. So we're in this descending channel now. Which could turn into a bull flag, right? Keep on going. I have a slightly better entry on my Topstep account for this long. Just waiting for it to see if I can get out of there. Alright, if we go up to the top of the channel, I should be able to get out of that trade. Alright, I'm breaking even now. Not out of the woods yet. But again, I feel like we're in this bull flag, so I'm gonna just wait for this to reach my target here. Eventually it will. It could continue, you know, dragging down this channel. Certainly tricky. Come on. Alright, I'm out on my Topstep. Reached my target. I'm scalping there with like $50, $55 targets on Topstep, trading NQ. So just quick scalps there, in and out. Alright, so we're still in this bull flag. Let's see if we break out of it or just revisit the bottom of the flag. I don't mind revisiting the bottom. I don't mind, you know, buying it down there. Okay, entering the bottom of that flag again. I'm just gonna see if I can impatiently scalp down there. Okay. Topstep worked well on that trade. So I just bought at the bottom of the channel there. I added here just so I could see if I can. I feel like this is going to be a bull flag, so my idea is to kind of add. Before it breaks out to the high. But again, we don't know how long we're going to stay in this channel. Gonna trade around the core, basically. Gonna move my target a little higher because to the top of this channel. Like I said, I still see this as a bull flag, so until something changes, that's my theory. I'm just gonna draw this, extend this bull flag a little bit further out. Okay. This bull flag is the descending channel. So I'm in 2 minis already. Oh, excuse me, 2 micros. And I'm gonna see if I can add a little more at the bottom of this channel here. Okay. All right, I see some bullish action happening. Met with selling, so no, nothing yet. I think it's still a battle between bulls and bears. So we're also interesting kind of channel here. Okay, looks like we're having some kind of sell-off here. Did not expect that, to be honest with you. Alright, so we come into this area of support, AOS, but we're not bouncing yet, so I'm a little concerned. Alright, we had this AOS here. Okay, alright, we're getting some bounce there. And again, the reason I'm in this situation where I have all this orders here is that because I rushed right here at the top of this channel where I should have bought at AOS, like you see how I am right now, buying at AOS. That certainly works much better than trying to catch. Let's see if we get follow through to the top of this channel. We'll go a little higher. I have 2 minis on my Topstep account there. Alright, looks like I just got out of 1 mini. It's playing with me, trying to get me out of the second one, but alright, I'm out of the second one. Okay, nice trade. I made 500 and something on that trade with minis. Let's see if we could do the same thing with micros here. Okay, we're hitting the top of this channel. All right, we're out. So we're still in this channel. I was hoping it would be out. You see what our break even is? Our break even is a little higher. Like, this is where we started originally. Yeah. So this bull flag, you know, that's what happens. A lot of people start getting to this bull flag. And what market likes to do is sometimes they take out some stops here and then continue up. So you grab some liquidity and so you grab liquidity from here, from these people who are trying to go up in this bull flag. And also you grab liquidity from all these stops right here. And on also this AOS area. So this is pretty bullish now, in my opinion. We have some definitely juice to run. This was 918. Yeah, 40-point run here to the top. Nice, 40 points. Let's see if we can. I want to see if I can get out of this just to take some off. Okay. Okay, good. And we're still waiting for this trade to break even. I don't know. Should we leave it here? Wait for it to kind of get to that. There you go. This was our initial trade, which was pretty terrible. But, you know, hopefully we could just close it out with a little bit of profit. Okay, there we go. We're out. $183 in this account. Not bad. A little worrisome, right? I'm not happy the way I entered. But it was just a 1 micro. We managed it nicely. just stuck to our plan here. This was a bull flag, right? So we added here, we got out. We added here, added here, added here, got out, got out, got out, got out. Okay, so not bad. Could have, if we added just one more micro, this would have been a $200 plus on this account, but I'm fairly satisfied with this trade. I think we're kind of done trading this account. Let's see if we could trade some more. Still have a little bit of time left. We do have a lot of accounts to trade still. All right, so we're up. We're at $1,150 on our Topstep accounts, and we're up almost $200 here. We'll just call this 900, 900. So, and 11 there. So combined across 4 accounts, we have made $2,000 in less than an hour. I'd say that's pretty good. Out of those 4 accounts, 2 were funded, so half of those, well, a little less than half, I'm sorry, a little less than half is on funded accounts. So that's real money, sort of, if we don't blow those accounts. And the other ones are working to be funded, okay? I'm going to start moving on to other accounts now. Hang on. Yeah, I definitely like trading bullish markets more so than bearish. All the bearish markets do provide you with more entries, and you feel like you're trading, especially if it's just like a small pullbacks. Let me just see. Let me make sure also I don't have any trades going on in any of my accounts here before I start something new. This was a nice bull flag trade though, man. I really enjoyed it. Market pulled back 20 points, gave us some extra like orders. I didn't have to, we didn't go into much of drawdown where we were down maybe a couple of $100, and it all worked out nicely. But that's okay. That's also mostly possible when the market is bullish. Just 1 sec. I need to reply to a text. All right. Okay, let's talk about these trades now. Sounds like I was on mute this whole time. Okay, so we traded this channel, the descending channel on this NQ contract. NQ, which is Nasdaq futures contract, to the long side. All right, so I'm waiting for maybe a two-legged pullback here, and so we could trade this higher, okay? Waiting for that red candle to form. Okay. So we have this two-legged pullback here. I'm gonna set my order here in case we decide to break out to the top. It is reasonable to expect this kind of trade because, again, we did sell off a little bit. We bounced off this AOS, right, where we just drew. We have some stops over here on top of this wick, which probably want to be revisited. So let's give this trade a try. See what we can do. It's a bit risky because we haven't sold off enough to do this kind of reversal trade. But, you know, if we don't get it, we don't get it. We'll just trade another trade at the bottom here on my other accounts. But I think it's certainly worth a try. I'm going to set it also on this account as well. Come on. Am I going to have time to put this order on? Oh, it didn't let me already buy it. Come on. Can't believe it didn't let me fill that order, put that place of order on. Alright, we're in with that count. Are we in here? Oh, we didn't get filled here. Oh, for some reason I thought we were breaking out already. Oh well. Okay, I see. Okay. I'm gonna go higher with this trade. I think we're gonna be maybe, we might try to trap some shorts here. Market is known to do that and go higher to this level. Okay, let's watch that. I'm also gonna monitor this trade on this account. We just missed us from filling it last time. Okay, that's fine. Maybe want to do like a short trap here. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch it below that red candle. Again, we could be bull flag in here. Did have this two-legged pullback. Hopefully we hold this and then we go higher. Okay. Break out to the top. If we don't do that, then we'll sell lower to the bottom of this channel, which would be pretty steep and aggressive. That would be 40-point move. It will definitely be felt. Like, so I'll probably place this trade here if the long doesn't work out. If the breakout doesn't work out. I'll move this trade a little higher like this, okay? All right. Let's see if we get some follow through from the bulls. Come on. All right, come on, come on. Go higher. Go higher, okay, and we're in. We're in. Come on, squeeze. You gotta squeeze now. Squeeze higher. All right, good. Come on, push higher. You gotta give it to us. All right, gotta move this trap order to the top here. Go higher. All right, don't do this to us. Just wait for this trade. Come on, go higher now. You did your thing. You trapped more shorts. You can go higher now. You have my permission. I almost want to go higher. Like, I would like to put my target at 1970, 970. That'll be my actual preferred area. But I can't be that greedy. I just need to scalp small trades for big gains, right? Let's see if we can get this closed first. Maybe if we close out of this trade and then pull back, I can enter with maybe one mini, targeting at 970 area. Come on, market, give it to us. You can do it. Yes, you can. Yes, we can. Come on. Go higher now. Make the market great again. Come on. Trying out all those slogans now. Hey, they work for some people. Come on. So we're still kind of bull flagging here. All right, a little bit of bull flag here, a little bit of bull flag here. Just need to break out of it. All right. Trapping some shorts. Right, we have one here. Sometimes we like to retest the bull flag if we were thinking about it that way. We have another bull flag here. So bull flag within the bull flag. We just need to go higher now. Come on. Just won't give it to us, huh? Wow. All right. I don't like the way this looks now. We may need to manage this trade now. I mean, I would have loved to trade these bull flags on my other accounts, but I just don't want to be sidetracked. You know, this is sort of a funded account. I don't want to be sidetracked with all those. You know, if it goes against me, I prefer to be out of this trade real quick and then try doing this. Although it is very tempting. Let me see what can be done here. I had some ideas here, right? It was on this account, right? Okay. Okay. All right, come on. All right, I'll get out here on this account, and then that way I can potentially scalp it on this account, right? Okay. All right, let's wait. What does the market have in store for us? Okay. I'm going to try to manage out of this trade. Okay, we're in. 1 mini. Just want to see if I can. Just need a little bit of bounce. Need a little bounce. Give me the bounce. Okay. All right, that was a failed reversal trade. It's not looking good. Okay, I just need to double check. Am I over trading again on multiple accounts? All right, do not do this to me, market. Uh-oh. No. Is it really gonna blow me now? Just gonna enter with one. Take a big loss there. Crazy. All right, so let's see what we're looking at here. Definitely had a steep sell-off here. The reversal trade did not work. Okay, market, come on. My computer is freezing up for some reason on me. Looks like Firefox kind of crashed on me. Okay, I apologize. Looks like my Firefox crashed. Just gonna quickly reset my chart here. Okay. All right. 1, 2. So I kind of went long here, a little bit late. Trying to do a scalp to the long side on NQ here on this contract. How are we doing here? We're up about 200, but remember we lost a whole bunch here. So my break even would be around over there. Up on top, we have to go up another 30 points. I'm gonna try to maybe a scalp in here. Like so. Maybe we could get a few winners. From on some pullbacks. Anyhow, that's the story there. What's the story in this account? This is nothing. Okay, we have about decent trade here. Okay, we're going higher here, hopefully. Unless this is a bear flag, right? We had this one bull flag, and the second bull flag failed. We went into this AOS area, right? AOS. My apologies for switching between each account. I'm just kind of reviewing here. We had a little bit of a sell-off here, so I'm trying to... Okay. Alright, we have this, again, ascending channel, or could be something called a bull flag. I'm just trying to scalp this flag here. See if it holds. If it doesn't, then, you know, we're gonna have to manage it. Okay, nice win, $300 on this account. I think we're done trading this account. Okay, so we had this sort of a bear flag formation. 1, 2. Two-legged pullback. Let's see if we can go long here, or I feel like we're gonna break down. This looks like a bear flag, if you ask me. I'm gonna see if we can scalp our way around this flag. Okay, nothing here. Anything on this account? Okay, we're up like a couple $100 on this trade. Okay, maybe we can exit it soon too. Just wanna be done with this trade. Okay, and we're breaking down. This is a bear flag. Just missed this here, huh? Okay. See if we could do differently. Okay. Come on. Just missed us, huh? All right, let's wait for this trade to work out. Again, I see this as a bear flag now. We can certainly break down out of it now. It could be just retesting it. Kind of what we do now, I think. Yep. I'm gonna try to catch it here at the bottom. I don't know how much this punishment this account could take. Okay, looks like we've got the bottom of the flag. Maybe we're retesting now. Going to the low end. Not looking pretty. So we have this range. My thought process is we have some area of support here. Another area of support is down here. Yeah, trading these accounts with so much size is definitely difficult. Okay, we're done trading this account. Definitely done trading this one. We got stopped out of there. And let's see what happens here. Okay, kind of want to stab long. And long here as well. I mean, there's certainly room for a bounce here. Okay. Oh. A little bit impatient there on my trade. Okay. And we have this AOS right here. Kind of want the price to revisit this moving average. But we certainly are in this downtrend now. We have this AUS down here where probably the price wants to visit. All right, so I'm gonna kind of wait for this drop. Yeah, I don't want to stand in the way of this drop. Come on, should get a bounce here. Not yet. Okay, we're definitely hurting here. Well, I guess we'll see. If we can't hold this area of support, then we have to go. I mean, yeah. Kind of getting destroyed here today. So I'm gonna try to trade in this AOS here. I think the market is a little bit too volatile trading minis. They're gonna have to switch back to micros. The movement is just, look, we went down 70 points just like that. Okay, I'm gonna probably wait for some kind of two-legged pullbacks. Okay, let's manage this trade here. And this is not even an entry. I don't even know why I'm here. Just keep making new lows. Trapping longs for sure. Just gonna wait down there. But otherwise, you know, like I said, we are looking at 24,800. That's where the price is probably going, given this trend. See if we get a bounce here. I doubt it. Okay. Some kind of management there on the trade. Okay. Maybe we'll get a bounce. Not really. Okay, we're bouncing off this area of support. Really, nothing. Willy-nilly. I mean, that was a nice push up. I feel like maybe bulls might come in. Right, we had a like nice push. Might look look for a two-legged pullback. Oh no. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can't trade this. I mean, maybe. It's like catching a fallen knife here, huh? Gonna try to do micros for now. Okay. I think I can scalp here a little bit. Okay. I think there's Trump talking. Maybe that's why the market is kind of selling off. It's unfortunate. All right, let's see if we can do a breakout trade here. Why? Why is no? Oh, I have trades sitting out there. So I'm looking to just scalp within this channel here. Just want to be kind of in and out of quick few trades here. A couple of quick scalps. All right, give me a little bounce. Nope. Okay. Okay, looks like we are bear flagging here. Let's see if the bulls can save this. Okay, looks like we're breaking down. I mean, we still have room to go down to 28.31. Another bad trade. All right, I need to stop trading today. Need to be a little more patient. Like we're back testing here, we could break down again. Okay, can only buy it down here. Cannot buy it any sooner. We're in this downtrend, just keep selling off. It's terrible. Like, I gotta get out of here. Let's see if we test this moving average. Be right back. Okay, just still going down here. Nothing good here. See if we can scalp. So I have a trade here. Like this. This is how I see it. Let's see. 1. Okay. Keep going down here, huh? Okay, so we have this kind of AOS here. We have 1, 2, 3. It's gonna go down there. All right, still have one long here. Just managed that trade here. Just got in, got out. We're down about $500 in this account. Okay. Maybe we'll get something here. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Not a good place to go in. Oh, it's tough today. Okay. Okay. Okay, going lower. How much lower can we go here? Oh, wow. $330 on this account. Okay, what's happening here? Okay. Hmm. Okay. We had a little bit of a meltdown here, so I'm thinking maybe this is the time for it to go higher for the market. See, remember how it has the okay, we're in one mini. Okay, we're going for a two-legged pullback here. It looks like we're not going anywhere. Do not go lower, please. Don't. Okay, light this contract up a little bit. Just missed me here, huh? Okay, let's wait for this trade to play out a little bit. Come on. Okay. Two-legged pullback. Come on. Okay. Come on. Keep going, market. How's it going here? Struggling, huh? Come on, Nasdaq, you gotta go higher now. We had a two-legged pullback. Alright, now it's selling off. Not happy about this trade now. Just add in here one mini. Where's my quant tower? Come on, quant tower. Where are you? Okay, so today is definitely a tricky trading day. I secured some gains on some accounts, but some accounts are definitely getting hurt today. I'm not happy about that, for sure. I think I had two attempts at a reversal sequence with two-legged pullback. Both times they kind of failed me. So the two-legged pullbacks weren't doing too well. Areas of support did okay. As you can see, we bounced out of this area. But trading minis today is just very challenging. Market just keeps pulling back down. Okay. Alright, so we stopped out of there. See, I think trading minis right now is not a good time. Alright, let's see what kind of damage we could do. On other accounts. I mean, we're still going down. We're at this area of this channel here. We could certainly break down below it. Scare some longs. Like we push down, we touch the moving average. Push down, touch the moving average. Alright, so we have this AOS here identified. I'm going to try to trade around this area. Another AOS here. I think today, I mean, you can see we're just going down the whole time. Shorts would be good, but then, you know, you might go short and then you get squeezed. So I don't mind scalping just on the way down. It's fine with me. See, we get another two-legged pullback. So we have 1, 2, and got just completely squeezed here. All right, we need to see if we get some action from bulls. All right, so we have another AOS here. Okay, how's our quant tower doing here? Terrible performance on my take profit trader accounts today. Horrific. Okay, let's see what the market does here. I mean, it keeps trending down, so 30, 20 point jumps. So nice solid pumps. Just want to get a quick scalp here. we could somehow capture those 20-point jumps, that'd be great. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to also trade some Apex. We got 3 PA Apex accounts. Okay, maybe we could catch some two-legged pullbacks. Simple. Well, actually, we're only gonna trade 2 today because one of them I requested a payout. I don't want to blow that one or cause any trouble. So we'll start with 27. Okay. Okay, sounds like we're doing some progress there. I feel like we might have a two-legged pullback, right? That's certainly a possibility. I'll kind of prepare for that on the other end as well. Okay. I'll set some trades here on this account, and then I'm gonna set some trades on my All right, so we're gonna continue down this trend, right here. Oh no. How slow is this? Really can't take it. This trade of 8 is just, controls are just so out of touch. All right, we're okay here. What are we doing? Bear flagging again? Probably are. We'll set our trades lower. I mean, we're still within this channel, but we're getting ready to break it. We'll break it now. And go, there's that sell-off. Yeah, I'm definitely not trading well, as you could see. Just missed my entry here. I got in at the worst possible time here on top. I mean, look at this. Yeah. Definitely not great. Not happy with my performance. Okay, checking in on the status of my payouts here with Take Profit Trader. I submitted some payouts, waiting for those to get up. Well, it looks like they were approved. They're already in my wallet, and I submitted to requests. Let's take a look. All right, looks like I need to say proceed. Okay, we're out of one trade there on our looks like I need to connect my Take Profit Trader to my plate through plate. Okay, looks like we got a strange bounce here. This is like a retest, or are we going higher? This could be one of those reversals. I need to see.